Just no peace for the wicked, y'all. No peace for the wicked. Because every time I try to tape, they always come in here. Anyway, hi guys, this is Jennifer with TheWookie Natural. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I do an eye look. So stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Jennifer with TheWookie Natural, and as you can see, I am prepping my face with my favorite product, the foundation primer, and I'm going to do an eye look today, and what I'm going to do is I'm prepping my face first. Of course, you're going to start with a clean and moisturized face, but I have just put my foundation primer on, and now I'm putting my color corrector stick called Ditch the Dullness. It was a limited edition with Mary Kay. I'm putting that on. And as I'm putting that on, I will go ahead and then put on my concealer. So as you can see, I'm putting on my concealer. I use two different concealers. I use a light bronze and a deep bronze. And I just find that that matches my skin really well. Sometimes I use just one or the other. Just depends on the look that I'm going for. But because I just want it to resemble more of my skin tone, I'm using both. So if you see me look over to the side, my husband is talking to me. Um, the dog is, we have a dog that's a pit bull called Meatball, and he is acting a fool as per usual. And so we're just talking. If you see me turning around talking, that's who I'm talking to. So I am taking my blender and blending it in. I find that this method is, to me, the most seamless way to blend into your skin. I have used brush and I have used other tools, but I find that this way is a more seamless way to blend. So I'm using that. Now I'm using a small one today because I can't find my big one, but um, we sell blender tools as well. So just letting you know. Once I have put my concealer on, I then take the pomegranate color and put it in my crease. So I'm going to put the colors I'm going to put on my eye today will be pomegranate in the crease. Then I'm going to put Merlot in my outer V, truffle, and then I'm going to put the amethyst liquid eyeshadow, and then in my brow bone I'm going to put another color. Let me think of what that color is momentarily. That color is biscotti under my brow bone. Then I'm going to follow up with eye with mascara for my magnetic lash. And as far as my foundation that I use, I'm using a silky setting powder that's brand new with Mary Kay in light bronze. So as I go through the products, that's what I'm putting on my face today. On my lips, I am putting believe that is Truffle. It's a matte, it's a semi-matte lipstick. Rich Truffle. Yeah, it's Rich Truffle that I'm putting on my lips. And then on my cheeks, I'm putting Golden Copper and Honey Glow on my cheeks. So that's everything on my eyebrows. I put brunette, and I use a brunette pencil as well. So right here, I'm putting that truffle. Truffle has been discontinued. Several of these colors that I'm wearing have been were limited editions or have been discontinued. So you can mimic that look with the colors that we do have. We have other colors that you can mimic the look with, like the Cinnabar. We have Cinnabar, and we also have Pink Starlight and Liquid Eyeshadow. So if you cannot get the shadows that's mentioned here, of course, if you go to my store or call me or DM me, you can get these because I have them in stock. But if not, then you can use some other colors to mimic that to get a similar look. But I'm showing this look because this is a glammed up look for when you're going out. And I thought it would be nice to show this look because people are going to parties and doing things, especially at the beginning of the year. They're just doing things. Or they're doing things on Zoom where they have to show themselves. So, of course, we're wearing masks, so I try to limit what I put on the lower half of my face and glam up the top half of my face so that even with the mask, you could still see the makeup and the eye makeup that I wear. So I'm going to speed up the video here so that you can see what else I'm putting on, because whatever else I'm putting on at this point is pretty standard. I'm going to put on I'm going to blend, of course, and then I'm going to put on the rest of my makeup. Okay, correction, guys. I noticed as I'm looking at the color of my lipstick, the lipstick is not Rich Truffle, it's that Blush Velvet, which is also a semi-matte color that I like to use. Also, I am putting on some mascara prior to putting on my lashes. It just makes it look more seamless. And then sometimes I come back just to give my eyes a little lightness by putting just a little bit more more concealer and light bronze under there to give me a little bit more light under the eye instead of darkness. And then I also put a little bit of one of our other limited editions blush, like a blush highlighter under my eyes. And then you see me with my pencil finishing up my look, and then lastly I am putting on my mascara and also my magnetic lashes. So please, if you like this content, please like and subscribe, and then as usual, we'll see you in the next video. So stay Wookie.